everyone, American in Thailand. Back with you on Monday, May the 20th. Well, Thailand is gearing up for its rainy season. There's been a lot more rain in southern Thailand and some flooding, but here in northeastern Thailand, what they affectionately call the Isan territory, we haven't really seen the full hit yet. I guess if rainy season were a Broadway musical, we would definitely be in the dress rehearsal stage because getting a lot of thunder and a lot of cloud cover so far, and we have had a little bit of rain, but the cloud cover is great for me because I'm able to finish these walls here from our wall repair. All the primer's been put down. I've got one section already done. All the rock's been moved, so this section's looking great so far, and I just got to finish up the rest. Also fighting with my little black bird friends again. I took down 3 nests just yesterday, and they're starting to go after this little tree right here. And there's one actually flying out of there. 2 flew out of there as I walked up. And you couldn't really tell they were making a nest because usually from my bay window, I can watch the birds taking debris and flying across the trees to build the nest. But in this tree, they were actually ripping apart part of the tree and using it as a nest. So they were building it from within. So if you're going to destroy my tree, well, this is war, guys. So that's not going to happen. Well, anyway, getting ready for rain. This is just me painting and finishing up. So take a look if you want, but rainy season should be fun. We'll get to see just how the flooding in our backyard goes this year and what we might have to adjust along the way. All right, thanks for watching. See you soon, and thanks for watching.